Namaskar my dear friends. Today we are going to learn the last topic of the probability, that is called the Bernoullis trial, and it's very important topic. Because of that in JEE or Gujket there are several questions can be asked from this specific topic. So remember that this one is very important in probability, is the last topic also. So let us see what the Bernoullis trial is. Actually, this Bernoullis trial is actually binomial distribution of random variable. Now here I apply the word binomial distribution. I think in your mind that it will distract that there is application of binomial theorem. Yes, it is. What is the theorem? Let us see. Let x be any random variable, as we know that of an experiment whose total trials are n. Now what is the meaning that total trials? Let us take one example. For example, I have 50 coin in my hand and I threw up all this 50 coin. Interesting thing. Now my question is this. Number of head occurs on total coins. Suppose I say that there are 15 coins such that where there are head, and in the remaining coins it means there are 35 coins remains where tail occurs. So can you imagine that how can we find the probability that how many possible success ratio is 20, 21, 23, 22, whatever. It means number of trials of success are there, and if we want to find the probability of that, then it is very difficult to find. So let us see, by using binomial distribution, we may find it easily. So in this case, we have two possible events. As per Bernoullis description, there are two kind of event in each kind of this random variable or random experiment. One event is success, one event is failure. Success means what? As per we given the example that suppose head occur, we discuss about that how many head occurs in the total outcome. Then head occur is success, then automatically tail occur is failure, right? Okay, you can easily observe that for a single coin, head occur and tail occur, then the probability, sum of the probability is 1. It means if small p is probability of success and small q is probability of failure, then we may say that p plus q is 1. Now Bernoulli says that if an experiment perform x times success, it means there are total trials are n, but suppose experiment perform x times success, then these x trials are called here Bernoullis trial. It means this x trials probability is our aim to find. So this x trials, it means that when we say that there are 25 times head occur, then x is 25, it means there are 25 possible successful trial. So this is called Bernoullis trial. So now how to find probability of this x? It means probability of number of successful trials. So that's why we may apply this binomial distribution, and that's why the result is called binomial distribution of random variable. What is this? We know that p plus q is 1 now, probability of success and probability of failure. Then p plus q raised to n is 1 raised to n is 1. Now what is actual expand of p plus q raised to n? See here. P plus q raised to n, that means nc0 q raised to n. See, first one nc0 q raised to n plus nc1 p into q raised to n minus 1. We know that the expand of binomial distribution, p plus q raised to n, nc0 q raised to n into p raised to 0. That after you know that here 1 power decrease, 1 power increase. So p raised to 1, here n minus 1, p square n minus 2. As per we get the term, this is x plus 1th term in binomial theorem. That is what ncx, p raised to x and q raised to n minus n. Last one is nc and p raised to n, which is 1. Now what is the meaning of this? See, the meaning is very interesting. First term of this binomial expand is probability getting 0 times success. See, probability of 0, it means all time failure. Q is probability of failure. Just read it as n times failure q raised to n. So p of 0, that's why p raised to 0. Now see here, p raised to 1, it means probability 1 time success. P square, probability 2 times success. P raised to x, probability getting success in n trial. So that is px. So finally probability of x is ncx, p raised to x and q raised to n minus x. And sigma px is 1 is obviously. So p of x is ncx, p raised to x and q raised to n minus x is probability getting success in x trial, which are called here probability of Bernoullis trial. Now, note that mean of binomial distribution is n into p. It means n is total trials, p means probability of success, q means probability of failure also, and variance is npq. Now let us see one exercise. Before that, n and p are also called parameter of x. Now see the first question related to this Bernoullis trial. A fair dice thrown 6 times. 6 times means n is equals to 6. See here. Here n is 6. Now first question is, success is what? The resultant number is odd. Now resultant number is odd means what? When you throw a coin, then there are, a dice, there are 6 possible outcomes, you know that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are possible outcome of die, you know that very well. Now success is what? The resultant number is odd. So odd, how many odd result is this? P is probability of getting success, and that is there are 3C1 upon 6C1. Why 3C1? I hope you understand that odd number are 1, 3 and 5 in a die. So 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. This is probability of success small q. And therefore q is what? That is 1 minus p, and that is also 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And now the first question, probability of success. Okay, before that I write the formula. Probability getting x is p of x equals to ncx, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x, right? So by using this we may find all the result. Now first question, probability of exactly 5 success. So x equals to 5. What do you say? Put this 5 here. N is 6, so that is 65. P means 1/2. Just to put the value. 1 by 2 is probability of success. Raised to x is 5 into 1/2 raised to 6 minus 5. Now 65 is 6. This is 1/2 raised to 5, and this is 1/2 raised to 1. 6 by 2 is 3 by 2 raised to 5, or we may say that 3 by 32. So 3 by 32 is the probability that exactly 5 times success. It means what? It means that 5 times we get odd number. That is the thing. Now the second result. Second question is at least 5 success. At least 5 success means what? Either 5 success at least. At least means maximum we get 5 success. So maximum 5 success. So either 1 success or 2 or 3 or 5 or 6. So let us see it. Second, probability of at least 5. At least 5 success. Okay, now see how we calculate that. That is probability of x is greater or equal than 5. At least 5. At least 5. I repeat once again. Either 5 or more than 5 at least. So probability of 5 plus probability of 6. Either 5 times success or all 6 times success. Okay, P of 5 we already calculated as 3 by 32 C, plus probability of getting 6 is 66. Here put the value. P means 1/2 raised to 6 and into 1/2 raised to 6 minus 6. See here, just to put here in place of x 6. So question is very easy, only you have to remember the formula and application of combination. So that is 3 by 32 plus 6 is 1, that is 1 by 64, right? 1 by 2 raised to 6, so it's 64. 64 is LCM. So 3 2s are 6 and plus 1. So that is 7 by 64. So 7 by 64 is the probability that at least 5 times success. And third question, probability that at most 5 success. See here, at most 5 success. At most 5 success means probability of x is less than or equal to 5. At most it means maximum time success is 5. Now what is this? This can be written as P of 5 or P of 4, or means addition, or P of 3 or P of 2 or P of 1 or P of 0 also. My dear friends, now do not find all probability. Just apply the formula sigma px is 1, then it will be very easy to find it. So I know that we can write this as 1 minus P of 6. Let us see why. The reason, we know that sigma px is always 1. Remember this result. And here number of Bernoullis trial are either 0 to maximum is 6, because maximum 6 times success, minimum 0 times success. So we may say that, that's why as we discuss here, P0 plus P1 plus P2, sigma means summation, plus up to plus P6 is 1. So see, from this result, we may write that P1 plus P0 plus P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus up to plus P5, P6 is going on that side, 1 minus P6. And 1 minus probability of 6 we already calculate here, see, that is 1 by 64, and so the answer is 63 by 64. So that's it. This is the Bernoullis trial. So it's very interesting topic. I think you enjoy to solve this kind of example. So solve the next exercise yourself. It means try to solve the relevant question. We will discuss the difficult questions relevant to exercise in the next lecture. Okay.